Hello everyone. Today we will start with our new topic, that is types of biofertilizer. Then we will go with definition. Biofertilizers are the carrier-based microbial inoculant containing live or latent efficient strain of microorganism to the tune of 10 raised to 5 to 10 raised to 8 cells per gram of carrier, responsible for the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen, phosphate solubilization, organic matter decomposition, and sulfur oxidation when applied to the seed, soil, or seedling. They enhance the growth of crop, productivity, and soil fertility. Method and rate of application of biofertilizer. They are applied in the three types, that is seed treatment, seedling root dip, then soil treatment. For seed treatment, the biofertilizer allowed to mix with the water and prepared in a slurry, and required amount of seed is mixed with slurry and allow for shed drying, and after that sowing is carried out. Next, seedling root dip. In that, the water solution is prepared with the which contain the biofertilizer, which is normally done for the rice crop, and that seedling is dipped for 8 to 10 hours. Then soil treatment. About 10 kg of recommended biofertilizer is mixed in a compost and kept for overnight, and that mixture is incorporated in a soil at the time of sowing or vascular mycorrhiza. First one is Arbuscular mycorrhiza, that is example is Globus species and Scutilospora species. Next one is Ectomycorrhiza, example is Laccaria and many more. Next one is Ericoid mycorrhiza, example is Pezizella erica. Next one is biofertilizer for micronutrients, silicate and zinc solubilizer, example Bacillus species. Next is plant growth promoting rhizobacter, example is Pseudomonas, that is Pseudomonas fluorescens. These are the types of biofertilizer. The microorganisms were firstly isolated and cultured from nodules of number of legume species by Martinus Beijering of Holland. Then this is the identification of Rhizobium, which forms the colony, which are fast growing, whitish, water soaked, slightly transparent, shiny in nature. Azula. Azula floats on surface of water by means of numerous small, closely overlapping scale-like leaves with their roots hanging in the water. They form symbiotic relationship with the Cyanobacterium anabenazula, which fixes atmospheric nitrogen, giving the plant access to essential nutrients. Azotobacter. It is free-living nitrogen-fixing bacterium which used as a biofertilizer in a cultivation of most of crop. They are gram-negative, aerobic soil-dwelling bacteria. They are typically polymorphic and different in size and shape. It is 2 to 10 micrometer long and 1 to 2 micrometer wide. Application of Azotobacter. It is applied at the rate phosphate inoculation 8 to 10 packets per 10 kg of soil, and it also helps to increase the germination of seeds by 20 to 30%. Azospirillum. It is gram-negative motile bacteria associated with roots of monocots. Several strains of Azospirillum were shown to exert beneficial effect on plant growth, crop yield under the various soil and climatic conditions, and are thus qualified as a plant growth promoting rhizobacter bacteria. It is used for vegetable crops through seed treatment, testing of hybrids, etc. The Azospirillum is white, solid, and soft in growth. Acetobacter. It is endotropic microorganism capable of living inside the plant tissue, can live in a higher sugar level that exists in a sugarcane tissues. It is symbiotic bacteria capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen by living within the sugar plant. Used of azotobacter is increases the crop production in large scale. Bijirinkia, which is free-living aerobic and non-symbiotic bacteria with the ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen present in a rhizosphere of crop and in acid soil. It is slow-growing organism which is grows or fixes the nitrogen at pH 3 to 4. The colonies of Bichirinkia are round in shape, wrinkled, flat and raised, which is used for the monocots and applied at the rate 250 gram per 10 kg of seeds. Blue-green algae can be can play important role in fixing of atmospheric nitrogen, particularly in a paddy field. BGA fertilizer is applied by the broadcasting the algal mass in standing water to the level 2.5 cm in a paddy field after 1 week of transplantation. Then phosphate solubilizing bacteria. These are microorganisms which solubilize the fixed phosphorus in soil and make it available to the plants. Phosphate solubilizing biofertilizers are prepared from phosphate solubilizing bacteria or fungi. The example of phosphate solubilizer include Pseudomonas trita, Bacillus polymyxan, etc., where the fungal isolates Aspergillus niger, Penicillium, and Digitatum. Organic matter decomposers. They are cellulolytic microbes which decompose organic waste rapidly and yield good quality of compost. Fungi belonging to genera Trichoderma, Penicillium, Aspergillus are effectively decomposed organic matter, where the bacteria belong to genera Bacillus, Pseudomonas, etc. are known as an efficient organic matter decomposer. The rate of application of organic decomposer is 500 gram grain-based decomposing culture is sufficient for the 1 metric tons of organic residues. Precautions during use of biofertilizer. It should be stored at a cool place at room temperature. Should not contact with insecticide, pesticide, chemical fertilizer during storage and application. Biofertilizer should be used before expiry date. Storage and use of biofertilizer should be avoided in a direct sunlight. Specific inoculant is used for the specific crop. The next one is advantages of biofertilizer. It fixes various nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, and various micronutrients in soil. It maintains soil health. It is pollution-free input. It secretes hormone and growth regulators and help in higher crop production. It has low cost, hence affordable to any class of farmer. It helps quick decomposition of organic matter and reduces the crop diseases due to secretion of antibiotics. It is easy to apply. Next, conclusion. Biofertilizer help in increasing crop productivity. It replaces chemical fertilizer by 25 to 30% and can be applied through seed treatment, seedling inoculation, seed inoculation and seed pelleting. And the carrier based biofertilizer commercialized on a large scale. Thank you.